Need to pass the HSI Special Agent exam? You found the right video. Hello, I'm Sergeant George Godoy, and today we'll explore the HSI Criminal Investigator Special Agent Assessments. Homeland Security Investigations, or HSI, is the principal investigative arm of the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. The HSI Special Agent Entrance Exam is a comprehensive two-phase assessment designed to identify only the most qualified candidates for this elite federal law enforcement position. The HSI assessment process is particularly challenging because it combines traditional testing with advanced evaluation methods that most applicants have never encountered. The exam consists of two distinct phases. Phase 1 is taken online and requires 1 hour and 40 minutes. You'll write a short essay of at least 100 words on a broad topic, evaluated for organization, clarity, and grammar. You'll also complete situational judgment tests with realistic job-related scenarios where you must choose the best course of action. Phase 2 is conducted at testing centers and takes 3 hours to complete. This includes writing skills tests covering spelling, grammar, and punctuation, advanced logical reasoning assessments, and the candidate experience record evaluation. The situational judgment scenarios are HSI's specialty and what makes this exam so demanding. These realistic federal law enforcement situations require specialized preparation. Get the top-rated HSI Special Agent Prep course with over 1,000 five-star reviews. The course includes video tutorials, hundreds of practice questions with situational scenarios, and lifetime access, plus bonus courses on background investigations, polygraph, and psychological evaluations. Click on the link to get started. There is also a link in the description and in the comments.